Hoka hey, and welcome back to the Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo podcast. I'm Nanaboozhoo, and I'm your host. As we say in the language, Nanaboozhoo Indigenous Cause. Nanaboozhoo is my name. And okay, so we're going to learn some Ojibwe words, and we're going to talk about Ojibwe culture on this show, I guess. So yeah, I know. Let's talk about singing again. Have you ever noticed when back on you go to a powwow and the singing's all like this? How is the singing? It's like Way way down, hey, Yahweh ho. But then you turn on the radio and it's very different. You turn on the radio and like a Kiss song comes on and it's all right. So what's the difference anyway? I think they're both just singing. But yeah, so singing is very important to our way. You know, it's not just the way we celebrate, but it's also the way we pray. I don't know much. What could I say about that? I like singing. Oh, I know. Let me tell you kids about this. When I was a little boy, I loved to sing. I sang all the time. I'd sing Elvis Presley songs. I was like, well, it's 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready now, go, cat, go. But, you know, hey, I was a kid. And then I recorded myself. Hola, don't do that. I got on the tape recorder and I hated my voice. And I didn't sing again for like 10 years. And then my little sister, Bridgie. Hey, Bridgie, how you doing? Then she told me, she would listen to me sing and she'd be like, you should come out to a coffee house. Why don't you sing? And I started singing. And then pretty soon I was in a rock band. And then people were paying me. Not much, but I could get up on stage and go, right? Okay, that's all I have to say for today. Nagamoda, let's sing. So the lesson for today, kids, nobody cares. Just sing. It don't matter what you sound like. Okay, let's shut this off and see if that's worth posting on Facebook. Okay, here we